Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
If invoicing were a gym membership, most people would pay for it and never use it. But Invoice Ninja and Wave actually show up and do the work. So let's jump straight into pricing before another invoice ghosts you. Invoice Ninja and Wave take two very different approaches, and the difference shows immediately. Invoice Ninja offers a free plan at $0 per month that supports up to 5 clients with unlimited invoices, professional invoice templates, your own branding, online payments, recurring invoices, inventory tracking, expense management, project creation, billable time tracking, client portals, partial payments, and deposits. This free tier alone replaces several paid tools for freelancers and small service businesses. Wave also starts at $0 per month, but the focus is different. Wave's free starter plan includes unlimited estimates, invoices, bills, and bookkeeping records, along with customer management and basic cash flow tracking. However, Wave earns money primarily through payment processing fees, typically around 2.9%, plus a fixed fee per credit card transaction, with higher rates for American Express. So while the software is free, getting paid isn't completely free. Moving up, Invoice Ninja's Ninja Pro plan costs $12 per month when billed annually. This unlocks unlimited clients and invoices, removes Invoice Ninja branding, adds custom invoice designs, branded URLs, Gmail invoice sending, professional templates, recurring and auto-billing invoices, API integrations, password-protected client portals, automated reminders, PDF attachments, client e-signatures, approval checkboxes, and expanded reporting. Wave's comparable upgrade is the Pro plan, often promoted at $9.50 per month instead of the usual $19. Wave Pro focuses on time savings rather than customization, adding automated bank imports, transaction categorization, unlimited receipt scanning, late payment reminders, and deeper automation. Invoice Ninja also offers an enterprise plan at $16 per month billed annually, adding multiple users, advanced permissions, branded client portals with custom domains, bank syncing through services like Yodlee or GoCardless, and international e-invoicing formats such as UBL and PayPal with included credits. Wave does not offer a true enterprise tier, keeping its structure intentionally simple. Now let's talk about Invoice Ninja's features in more detail. Invoice Ninja is designed for flexibility and control. It supports recurring billing, automated reminders, multi-currency invoicing, inventory management, project-based billing, time tracking, and advanced reporting. Clients can pay invoices with one click using multiple gateways, and the client portal gives customers access to invoices, payments, and documents in one place. A standout feature is deployment flexibility. Invoice Ninja can be used as a hosted cloud service or self-hosted, giving businesses full ownership of their data if required. Now for the pros and cons. Invoice Ninja's biggest strengths are its powerful free plan, deep customization, automation, API access, and flexible hosting options. It scales well from freelancer to growing agency or small business. On the downside, the interface can feel overwhelming at first, setup takes time, and it does not include full accounting features like payroll or tax filing without integrations. Now let's slow things down and really dig into Wave, because Wave takes a completely different philosophy compared to Invoice Ninja and understanding that difference matters more than people think. Wave is built for business owners who want accounting to feel invisible. The goal isn't to give you every feature under the sun, but to make sure the basics are so easy that you actually keep your books up to date without stress. Wave's biggest selling point is still the fact that its core software is free. You can create unlimited invoices and estimates, record bills, track income and expenses, and maintain bookkeeping records without paying a monthly subscription. For freelancers, consultants, and small service businesses, this alone removes a huge barrier. There's no pressure to upgrade just to keep sending invoices, which makes Wave especially appealing for businesses operating on tight budgets. The invoicing experience is intentionally simple. You can create clean, professional invoices quickly, apply basic branding, and send them directly to clients. Clients can pay online, and once a payment is received, Wave automatically records it in your books. This automation reduces double entry and helps prevent the common issue of invoices being paid but not recorded properly. Wave's payment processing model is important to understand. While the software itself is free, Wave charges transaction fees when you accept online payments. Credit card payments usually include a percentage fee plus a fixed amount per transaction, with higher rates for American Express. For many small businesses, this feels reasonable because you only pay when you get paid. However, businesses with high transaction volumes should factor these fees into their real costs over time. The Wave Pro plan builds on this foundation by focusing on saving time rather than adding complexity. With Pro, you get automatic bank transaction imports, auto merge and categorization of transactions, unlimited receipt scanning, and automated late payment reminders. These features are designed to reduce manual work, improve cash flow, and make bookkeeping less painful, especially for business owners who don't want to deal with spreadsheets. Wave's dashboard is another strong point. It presents income, expenses, outstanding invoices, and cash flow in a clean, easy to understand layout. You don't need accounting knowledge to understand what's happening financially, which is exactly why many solo entrepreneurs stick with Wave for years. That simplicity, however, also defines Wave's limits. There is no advanced inventory management for product-based businesses, reporting customization is minimal, and workflow automation is basic. Wave also lacks deep integrations, complex project accounting, and strong multi-user or multi-company support. As businesses grow, these limitations often become more noticeable. Now let's clearly lay out the pros and cons. Wave's biggest advantages are accessibility, ease of use, and cost. It's fast to set up, beginner-friendly, and genuinely free at its core. The downside is scalability. Growing teams, businesses with complex operations, or companies needing advanced reporting may outgrow Wave sooner than expected. When it comes to ratings, both platforms perform well overall. Invoice Ninja typically holds an average rating of around 4.7 out of 5 on Capterra, with users frequently praising its flexibility, customization options, and powerful free plan. Wave usually scores around 4.4 out of 5, with strong feedback for simplicity, affordability, and ease of use. These ratings can vary by region and over time, and some review data may not always reflect the most recent updates. So it's always best to check the latest reviews directly on Capterra or similar platforms. Now for the final takeaway. If you want flexibility, automation, and room to grow. Invoice. Ninja is the stronger long-term choice. If you want clean, stress-free accounting with no monthly subscription and minimal setup, Wave is hard to beat. Click the link below to access the software, explore the features hands-on, and choose the platform that truly fits how you run your business today and where you want it to go next.